I had to unpackage it, and right now it's actually next to me, so you guys can see the little sneak peek of what it is. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the S550, aka Clifford, which is my 2015 Mustang. Right now we're actually at the UPS freight store. Right now I'm just about to jump out, get the package, and then from there we're going to go home. I'm going to open it and then show you guys what it is. Of course, the thumbnail is not going to show what it is. It is going to be a surprise, so if you guys want to check out what it is, stick through the whole video. We'll be right back. We're going to go pick up that package, and then we're going to go ahead and unbox it. Alrighty guys, so if the audio, if I'm out of focus, I do apologize. Right now we're actually, I'm assuming that my package is in a huge freight, because right now we're in the UPS center, as you can see, and they're asking me to pull all the way to the back. So I think they might have to pull it out with the forklift, and like I said, I do apologize if my audio is a little bit bad. I didn't have time to actually, he said all the way to the ramp. Okay, I see it now. I didn't have a chance to actually plug in my microphone, so I do apologize, like I said, about the audio. He told me to pull all the way to the back to the ramp, and the ramp is right on my left. So I'm just gonna wait here, and hopefully everything goes well. I've never actually bought a package like this, and I'm guessing it's in a hefty box, which I was assuming it was just a normal cardboard box until I ended up purchasing it, and actually just pulling up right now. I'm gonna put the video away because I don't want him to think I'm doing something weird, so I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so we are back. I finally actually plugged in the microphone, and actually you can see some of it, so let me fix that. Oof, I don't know why it's popping up. Hold up, let me look. There you go. Alright, so unfortunately, the guy actually brought up the wrong thing. He thought I was a guy picking up a shower door, but no, baby. We are picking up S550 parts today. So he actually is going back, dropping off the shower door, and then he's actually going to come back. I was kind of excited to see the box, but then I seen a box that was literally like this tall, and I'm like, yeah, no, what I bought definitely is not going to fit in a box this. It might have been like 6 inches tall, but no way is what I bought gonna fit in something like that. So he said he'll be right back, and of course I have to have my flashers on because I'm in their warehouse kind of type area. So this is actually a fun experience. I've never been around here. I'm actually a little bit nervous to record because there's people around me driving power equipment. So I'll give you another update once I actually get the actual package. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so it is a success. Unfortunately, the package itself did not fit in the bed of my truck, so I had to unpackage it, and right now it's actually next to me, so you guys can see the little sneak peek of what it is. But once we get to my house, I'm gonna pull it out, I'll show you what it is, and then from there I'm either gonna probably head to a local body shop, because of course I'm gonna need to get this painted. Hint hint. So yeah, this is was a scary, very scary experience actually, because like I said, it didn't fit in the truck of my bed. It was longer than I even expected, so then I tried to strap it. My straps weren't long enough, so I tried to jerry rig some knots, and honestly I'm awful at tying knots, so I decided, you know what, this was an expensive item, I'd rather be safe than sorry. So I ended up just unboxing and putting it inside the car. Hopefully I didn't scratch anything or damage anything, but the body shop will let me know how much it is, and hopefully it's not too terribly much, to give my S550 a freaking facelift. And also the road here to like where the trucks drive, it is god awful. I mean, it's just straight trucks, so I can tell why. But yeah, so I'm gonna be heading home, and I'll show you guys what it is once we get home. And just one small sneak peek again, bam. Don't want to give you too much, but you'll see what it is. So I'll be right back, and I'll show you guys what it is once I get home. Alright guys, quick update. So I ended up calling my body shop, and they actually close in about 30 minutes. So instead of going home and taking it out, I'm actually going to head to the body shop, and then I'll show you it off there. And hopefully the body shop that I'm going to, like I said, my friend recommended me it a long time ago. His whole car was pretty scraped up, and he took it there, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks like nothing ever happened. So because of that, I know that they've done some good work, and I actually want to go to them because of that. So we should be there within the next 10 to 15 minutes. Hopefully everything goes well, and hopefully it's not that expensive. I got a quick quote from the body shop that's actually fixing my car from the initial hit, but they were kind of on the pricey side. But I don't know what this other body shop is, the rate is. So I'm hoping that it's not as much as the other body shop that's fixing my car, because they are associated with my insurance, or at least that's who they wanted me to take it to. So hopefully it's not that expensive, but I'll let you know, and then I'll actually show off the the facelift once I actually get to the body shop. So alright guys, so I just came back from the shop that I actually was wanting to take it to, and they actually gave me a lower price than the shop that I actually took my car to. Surprisingly, I don't know why. And like I said, my friend's car has been there, and I've seen stuff personally, and I know what kind of work they do, so I definitely think I might take it to them, because the stuff they showed me oh, I don't have the coronavirus, just FYI. But the stuff that my friend showed me that they dumped in his car looks absolutely clean, and I definitely do think they do a good job. The only thing is, they requested that if I do plan on going with them, of course, test fit the parts. I'll show you when I get home. Test fit the parts, and then two, of course, make sure everything fits and nothing needs to be modified, because if so, then of course they can do it, but they need to know ahead of time. Of course, you don't want to paint something then have to change something later, because once it's painted, it's going to be pretty hard to fix any issues. But that, and also they want to spend some time with the car to actually chip match it, so that way they can get a correct chip, and that way that the race red, which is the color of my car, aka Clifford, is correct. They want to make sure that everything is paint match, everything's perfect. They don't want to see any seams or any color discoloration. So he told me that, and honestly, I think he gave me a fair price. And like I said, he remembers my friend's name, Matthew. I forget his last name. Man, I forgot his last name, but like I said, he had a Honda Accord which got fixed through them, and a Ford Fusion, and you know, the product was amazing. I can't complain. It literally looked like nothing ever happened. So yeah, I definitely want to go with them instead of the people who are actually doing my the rest of my car. And the guy who I actually spoke to was surprised, because he was like, yo, how come you can't take it to the shop that's actually doing the rest of the car? If they have a lot of leftover paint, they should be able to just color match it and get everything great. And I was like, yeah, I'm assuming they should have some paint left over, but they told me, yeah, no, they can't do it for free, or they can do it at a lower cost. They said I would have to pay full price, and the dude was like, wow, if that was me and I had some extra paint, I'm probably never going to use that. So he was like, you know, might as well just go ahead and paint it. So that's that. I'm actually turning the corner. I'm actually going to take all the stuff out at my girlfriend's house, just because I'm a little bit closer to her house than I am my house, and I'll show you what it is, the facelift, of course, and let me know what you guys think about it. So in just 1 second, we'll pull it out. Alright, well there you guys have it. So as you can see, we bought the MP GT350R style light from bumper for the S550s. So this is for any Mustang that isn't, of course, the 350R. I think it's a 350 or 350R. Regardless, I decided to buy that front bumper, and I can't wait to install it. For now, like I said, I just went to get a couple quotes, and I like the last quote that I got, and like I said, I've seen their stuff that they've done, and yeah, so just look for future videos like this. The next video we're gonna do is actually probably picking up the car, and then from there we're actually gonna take the car again and drop it off to actually get that bumper installed and actually painted. Actually, no, I'm gonna be doing the install, but we need to install it to just test fit to see that everything lines up. So if you guys did like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, like I said, I got big plans for this car and this YouTube channel. This is just one of many. Like I said, I still got the Brembo brakes, and I got a ton of other things coming. Of course, during this time of the coronavirus, I'm still trying to be active. I'm still trying to do stuff that I love, and like I said, I love doing car stuff. I do plan on doing other vlogs, but until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.